The Indian military anticipated the threat of swarm drones deployed by its adversaries. The Indian Air Force in particular bootstrapped a group of entrepreneurs to create homegrown swarm drones. Now, what the IAF's Mehar Baba swarm drone competition has achieved is phenomenal. With an investment of just 16.5 crore, the Air Force has created an indigenous defense drone industry with orders worth over 800 crore.
Actually, I think 2018, if I'm correct, when we announced this Mehar Baba competition.
That was a pragmatic initiative by Indian Air Force to develop a swarm. Especially swarm is an evolving technology.
Every company had created a product which cannot be ignored and which was a very exclusive, and there was constant hand-holding by the Air Force.
The Indian Air Force awarded a 300 crore contract to an Indian defense startup for 200 swarm drones. Now, the contest was named after a maverick IAF pilot, Air Commodore Avtar Singh, nicknamed Mehar Baba. The contest was premised on the popular US reality show Shark Tank. Now, to win the contest, startups had to fly a swarm of 50 drones to 100 kilometers with a 1 kg payload and spend up to 1 hour on the target. The contract for the weaponized swarm drones has finally been awarded to Noida-based Veda Aeronautics Private Limited. They're building what's called the Swarm Unmanned Munition Systems. Now, these are catapult-launched, jet-powered swarm drones developed by this company, and it's the single largest contract awarded by the Government of India on any startup for unmanned systems.
This and more streaming now on world's first news OTT, News9 Plus. Download now.